So this is one of the rooms, cabins at Ultima Thule Lodge, which is in Wrangell-St. Elias National Park in Alaska. It's the largest national park in the United States. And so our cabin is the McColl Ridge Sheep Camp, is the long name. I guess they call it the log cabin because it's the original, or the first one built. Anyway, so let's take a look inside. So this is the main area. And we just arrived. Looks like there's some cheese and nuts and grapes. So this is the main living quarters. You have a day bed in the back. Little desk. Mini bar stocked with beer and soda and cold water, which is nice. Wash basin here. Guess that's a stove. Again, when I first walked in, I'm like, this is it, but actually it's not. Also, some nice nooks and crannies. So here, you have a shelf where you can store all your stuff, which comes in handy because it doesn't have to be, it can be messy without it being visible. All right. And then over here is the shower. And the toilet. Now keep in mind while we're looking at this, Ultima Thule Lodge is supposedly several hundred miles away from the nearest maintained road. So it is way out in the middle of nowhere. It's about 30-minute flight from the nearest small town, which is called McCarthy, which was a mining town. And, well, it is still a town, but it made its name for itself as a mining town. Anyways, and this is in the wilderness. So that was one bedroom. So you saw the toilet and the shower. Back to the living room. And then we have another small little bedroom. So you can be taking a nap without, during the day, without being disturbed by the significant other. Actually, the living room is separate from both bedrooms, so actually it's not a big deal either way. And then you have a second toilet right here. So that's really convenient if you want to use the loo at the same time. So, and then there's a second sink. Okay, so if you're rushing to get ready for the morning activities, for two people, each person can be making their own preparations at the same time, which is very convenient when you're in a hurry. So that does it. This is the one of the cabins at Ultima Thule Camp in Wrangell-St. Elias National Park in Alaska.